today we are going to be playing Angry Bird Transformers. This is that's loud. Sorry. So this is a cutscene. Maybe look at the Angry Bird. It's a transformer. So let's click on the bird. Ooh, this is cool. Let's defeat. Aim for the. Ooh yeah, blue. Let's, yeah, defeat. This is pretty good. Pretty cool game. This is the first time that I am playing this game, so that I have no clue what I'm doing. Look, there's a TNT, another TNT. Bro, TNT. There. Let's defeat that. Boom, TNT it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I have 168 transformer coin. I don't know. I have defeated 15. Yo, 15. Yeah. What's this? Wait, these more islands? Oh, so I unlocked that island. Rescue the transformer from the evil Eggbot. Eggbot. Oh, thick. Ooh, the legion have captured Bumblebee. Yeah. Pop 68 pigs. Rescue him. 60, not 68, sorry. How to play. There. So 60. I have to defeat 60. Boom, TNT. Yeah, TNT it. Headshot. More headshots. TNT. Headshot. TNT. Headshot. Any more? Oh, I didn't even need that. Boom, TNT. More TNTs. There. Was that it? Yeah, that's it. 245 transformer coins. Boom, the rocket goes off. I have finished my mission. There we go. 34. Okay, 34. Skip. I don't watch cutscenes. I hate them. Look, flying. More flying. Any more? That's hard to break. Ooh, bot. That almost hit me. Yeah, I like to pop that. Ooh, mid-air, yo, that was a cool trick shot. Wait, did I lose a life? Yo, I lose half a life. There. Pop the balloon. Any more? Oh, so that's it. How much did I defeat? 21. 21. Is that enough? I don't think it's enough. Okay, a few more. And what brought you into this? Let's do both. And do what? Let's do this. So this may be the last round, and I will get the new transformer, the Bumblebee transformer, something like that. Yo, how do we defeat it, bro? Wait, did I lose, bro? How do we defeat that? Oh, upgrades. Oh, that's. So I think that was on purpose. That was on purpose. So I have 1,000. Yo, what was that? Upgrade complete. That was sick. Yo, wait, he can transform now? Continue. Okay, now we should be able to defeat it. How do we transform? There, that's how we transform. Yeah, dodge. Boom, bam, bop. Don't you dare laugh at me. Oh, there was a TNT. I didn't see that. Bye bye. Let's play the operator. Bye bye. So we should be able to unlock the Bumblebee transformer. Yeah, full team. Bumblebee transformer. Here we come. Yeah, there is. Yeah, easy Bumblebee. 60. Cutscene. Whoa. Yo, look at that transformer. Oh, it is. Yo. So he also has a different attack mode. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Yeah. So, guys, I will end the video here. I will see you all in the next video. Let's see this cutscene first. Okay, there we go. I will see you later. I will see you in the next episode. See you later.